Welcome back to another Dollar Tree Empties video. Let's get started. I have the White Rain Moisturizing Body Wash. This is a creamy body wash and it's the Shea Butter and Orchid. You get 15 fluid ounces. This was back from, I want to say last year actually, and every time I saw it at the Dollar Tree, I purchased multiples. So I think I might actually still have one more left of this one. And this one is so creamy, so moisturizing. The smell is divine. It's so good. If you see this one, Shea Butter and Orchid, definitely pick it up. I have a Paw Patrol Bubble Bath. This did a good job at Bubble Bath. It was kind of a thick gel-like consistency. It came out almost like jelly out of the bottle, but it did what it was supposed to. Connor had no reactions or anything like that to it. No irritation, so I'll probably repurchase that again. Assured Instant Hand Sanitizer, 10 fluid ounces. You can't beat that deal. It does what it's supposed to. It kills the germs on your hands. I have a Soft and Dry Gel Clear Gel in the soft scent Deodorant. This is 3 ounces. My biggest issue with it though is that I had at least had another use out of this and it will not roll up to give it to me. So, you know, that's a bummer. But it is a name brand and it was only $1. So in the summertime I prefer like the gels or the rollerball like liquidy deodorant. And then fall, winter, and spring I gravitate toward the solid. I don't know, it's so weird to me too, but I really enjoy like the gels during the summer. I have Assured brand triple blade razors. These are the men ones. There's a 5 count. John did not like these, does not recommend these for his personal use, like his face, but I think they work great on, for me, like my legs and my underarms. I think they work great. I didn't get any cuts or anything like that, but he just personally did not like them for his face. So I use them, and I think they're great. I picked up this Skin Tint Calming and Soothing Lavender and Argan Oil Bath Bombs at the Dollar Tree. And this was a 3-pack for $1, and I got them and Connor loved them. I got them for him. They have a nice lavender scent like it suggests, very moisturizing on the skin, and he just loved it. And I loved the way it made his skin feel. Some of the 100% pure cotton balls, 100 count. I repurchase these just about every time I go to the Dollar Tree. They're great. Use them for makeup purposes or whatever else I need to use them for. They're wonderful. I have and I was going to toss this stuff, but I just wanted to briefly mention it in this video because these products worked great together. I got some of this Hydrocortisone. This is an anti-itch kind of cream. And with all the mosquito bites and stuff that we required this summer, this has worked great. This has worked great to combat with them. And then I got the Chase Insect Repellent, and I was very skeptical of this. It came from the Dollar Tree, 2 ounces, so you do not get a lot of product at all. But for $1, this actually works, and if I ever see it on the shelf again, I'm just gonna stock up. It says it provides continuous protection that lasts up to 3 hours against mosquitoes. It does work. We were outside so much, hours at a time, and if I had this on him, he didn't get bit. But if we ran out the door to go play, kind of forgot the spray, when we come back in and he had like 4 bites or something, then it was time for this. But yes, they work. They work, you guys. Last, I have a bunch of candles to share with you guys. This is one of the big ones from Dollar Tree, the big giant jar, and it's Old Williamsburg Candle and Vanilla Bourbon. This had an alright throw. I would definitely repurchase again. I would purchase these for gifts because they're so big. It burnt very nicely, as you can see, and it did fill the kitchen, the dining room. What more can you ask for? I mean, it did do a good job. I did enjoy that candle. Here's one, an Ombre Candle jar. I think this was a soy candle. I don't remember the scents, don't know what happened to the tab on the top of it. It smelled really good, but it didn't put off a massive throw, so I don't know if I'd repurchase these again, other than maybe just for the pretty jar. I have Sun-Drenched Mango. This scent's kind of faint. The jars usually always burn very nicely. It was okay. Yeah, it was just okay. The next one I absolutely adore, and hopefully I can find it before fall is completely here again. But it's the watermelon one. These are from Old Williamsburg Candle Company, and this one does have a nice throw. It smells so good. Once again, it burnt very nicely. Connor threw a match in there, but it did burn very nicely. I love it. And the last candle I have to talk about is the Air Fresh French Vanilla Ripe Red Apple. This is their 2-in-1 candle. I love this one personally. I repurchased it half times over, so I really enjoy it. They burn nicely. I like the waterfall one. I like the vanilla one. There's a bunch of these. Not all of them are great, and they do have seasonal ones, which I find typically aren't the greatest. But the ones that are staples, like this one, I think are pretty good. And the cinnamon one, the apple cinnamon one, that's pretty good. So that's it for the empties, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos. Check that description box for a ton of Dollar Tree links, you guys. And thank you guys always for watching.